welcome to my vlog again. কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? সবাই ভালো আছো তো? It's a story reading vlog. আজকে কি স্টোরি পড়বো জানো? Baking a cake. It's a baby book but অনেক মজার. So আসো আমরা পড়তে শুরু করি. Let's go start it. Baking a cake. Dad wants to bake a cake. I will help you, Dad. We put in some sugar. We put in some eggs. We put in some butters. We put in some flour. We put in some milk. We put in some water. We put in some apples. We put in some bananas. We stir and stir and stir. We put the mixture into a tin. We put the tin in the hot oven. We wait and wait and wait. The cake is ready. We put it on the table. The cake looks funny. It tastes funny too. Next time, I think I will bake a cake with Mom. So that's the story. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, that's all for today, guys. OriktoVlogs out. Bye.